Hey guys, I think I found a much easier way to put text behind objects of any shape. No masking required. So let me show you guys how I do that. First, open Filmora 10, then import whatever picture you want to use for your thumbnail. Drag it down to the timeline. Then open up a browser and go to remove.bg. I found this to be the best site without having to edit. It just removes what you want it to remove. Then import the same picture. Now you have a couple options. You can download a standard version or HD, which is 40 cents a picture, but it's much better quality for thumbnails, higher resolution. All right, then you want to download it, go back to Filmora, import it into your project. Usually it's in my download folder. Then go to titles or whatever text or whatever you want to add. Drag that to the timeline and edit that, whatever shape, direction, outlines, size, whatever you want. I chose Pumbaa because that's my doggy's name in the picture. And then position it where you want it, anywhere. Go back and now pick the background removed image and just slide it on top and you're done. Literally, like that's it. No masking, no nothing. Take a screenshot of that and now you have a perfect screenshot for a YouTube video thumbnail. All right, thanks for watching.